Okay. We just jump this dude. Okay, I missed, actually. God damn it. Ah, I thought he was gonna sleep. I know Zephyr, I think he's a support player. I don't know why he's playing tank right now. Okay, that's fine. Dang. Wall climb. Nope, no wall climb. Okay, that's huge. I don't know what my Zen was doing up there. But it's fine, because we also got a pick. Okay. Oh, that's tough. That's also tough. Bro, I can't hit their soldier. Bro, there's no way I'm that bad. Holy sh... Okay, we got him anyway. So it's fine. Yeah, what? Okay, fuck it, no. You're dying, buddy! Where'd the carry go? Kinda. Oh, that... Okay, that pulls me in. Crazy. Okay, that was huge. Who's up here? They definitely have visor. Yep, here he comes. Oh, shit. He doesn't touch though. It's okay. Okay, that's actually huge for us. Ooh, give me out. Holy shit. I don't know how that dude didn't touch. But it's fine. Because it worked out. For us. We don't have any ults though. We're getting close to rush. That's it. They'll definitely have Torb. And I think no, yeah, no, that's it. They'll have Torb. Torble. No way. Okay, I'm feeding. Huge. Less huge. I'm trying to hit that Ana. It's not working out very well though. Now they're on Sombra now, dude. That's gross. Nasty, even. I wonder if they have grab. Okay. I'm gonna deflect grab. It's gonna be huge. I did not deflect grab. There it is. God damn it. Yeah. Oh shit, dude. Wow. Okay. Can I wall climb? Hello? Brother, this is no way. Imagine if the ability worked the way that it was supposed to. It could be pretty cool. Oh, here it goes here. Nice. Ana. No shot! Uh-oh. That's crazy. Why does my skin look more blue than normal? Is it just the lighting? Yeah. That's interesting. What? How did my arrow hit that wall? That's crazy. Okay. Fisher's 1, bro. Samber's low. Fisher's dead. I can't see anybody, but my tank's just body blocking. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Bro, wait. Oh, wait, no shot. Am I this bad? Okay, there we go. Got it. Okay, here we go. And no way they're on Bastion, bro. Oh, that's fine. It's just those two. Wow. Wait, there's no way, right? Okay, no, Mori's popping off. They got it. Thank God. Whew. Why did I get on fire from landing a one-hit shot? Okay. Am I hacking? I might be hacking. Oh shit. There's none of there. Good shit. Honest low. Good shit, dude. Nice. My top is crazy. No way. That's crazy. Okay. I don't even know. I'm probably just gonna ult early so then hopefully I can farm it back up before they get their Maga ult. Okay. Oh, I did not re-peek. I thought maybe she would have. Okay. Nice. Good shit, Tomer. No! That's it. Alright, they're probably gonna have Maga ult, but I don't think they're gonna use it early. Oh, wait, I don't even need my ult for the Maga ult. We have Sombra. Oh, she's not here though. Okay, there she goes. Nice. Huge. Yeah. Give me 5, give me 5, give me 5. Bro! That's the second... That's the second 4K. And the fifth one... God damn it, bro. Alright, that's fine.
Enemy sighted.
Remember when rainy used to be a condition in this game? I kind of like that. And they moved it. Oh, I'm so dead. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm alive. What? Okay. No! I choked! Okay, no, we're choked. Okay. Nice stuff, dude.
It's the time. Pool party. Sounds like a trap.
30 seconds.
I think I might need to avoid Zephyr and Timeless. Cause they're playing very well right now.
EMP activated.
Okay, Genji has no cooldowns. He's dead. Good shit, dude. Nice. I didn't die a single time that half. Crazy.